Let's give you the setup of what's happening out there. Area of high pressure across the southeast, and underneath this dome of high pressure, boy, it's heating up, almost like a pressure cooker here. Well, how weather savvy are you? Meteorologist Mark Elliott hit the streets of Atlanta to ask people some easy questions about summer, or at least he thought they were easy. Here's Mark with more. First of all, you had the flooding threat. Now you're going to have the snow. Boy, what an interesting day for you here. They're on TV and it makes them nervous.
Exactly.
I think that's what it is.
Exactly.
They really knew the answer to that question.
Nicely done, Mark Elliott. Appreciate it.
In the potential for more severe weather, there's a look at some of the locations. Henderson at 1:27 local time, and Morrison Chapel, get ready, around 2:08. You could see some of those strong gusty winds and a lot of lightning coming in to the city. Maria?
I'm Fox 61 meteorologist Ryan Goswick on Tybee Island, Georgia, where Hurricane Floyd is already making its presence known.
Welcome back. Spring storms are unleashing their fury across the nation. Hello and welcome to Weekend Now. I'm Ryan Goswick. Are you ready for some fireworks like the ones behind me here? Well, drought conditions are putting a damper on fireworks shows across the country. We could be singing that song, "The Heat is On" in parts of the country, but this is a serious situation for some of you. We have Michelle Nicholson. She's with the Okaloosa County, Florida Sheriff's Office on the phone with us. And Michelle, thanks so much for joining us. A great way is to go to weather.com. You can also download our free app to your mobile device. Take us with you wherever you go. Let's show you what's happening right now across the area. Satellite and radar composite really telling the story of the severe weather setup. Much like yesterday, we have high pressure to the south. It's kind of a bubble of very hot, dry conditions around the periphery of this high pressure, though. We have clockwise flow around this, and that's providing the showers, the thunderstorm, the lift in the atmosphere that we need. And we could see severe weather. There's the risk all the way from the Plain States southward down into parts of Georgia and even down into North Alabama and eventually Tennessee. Here's what it looks like right now. We could see a watch likely in through parts of southern parts of South Dakota and into central areas of the state of Nebraska. We're already seeing some showers and thunderstorms start to develop across this area. Just look at that line of lightning now popping up, and we do have severe thunderstorm warnings, at least one right now to tell you about to the north, where this particular cell in and around the city of Chase, South Dakota. That goes into 11:45 local time here across western parts of South Dakota. And boy, the storms across southeastern areas of Kansas have been rumbling this morning. Cherokee County, Crawford County, and Ottawa County, you're under severe thunderstorm warning until 12:30, not far from Joplin, Missouri. So definitely a lot of cleanup going on here. Also, they're adopting those pets out still in Joplin from the tornado last month. And the hail size, can you believe this? 2.8 inches in diameter. And Baxter Springs Fire Chief now is reporting a windshield broken out from that hail. No surprise when you're talking hail that large coming down with that storm into southeastern Kansas. Also watching this cell around Jackson, Tennessee, Crockett, Haywood, and Madison counties in Tennessee. You're under severe thunderstorm warning to 12:30. Watch out for this line of storms as it moves across southern middle Tennessee. Maria? It is a big week for vacation, and maybe you've got your checklist checking off. Do you have everything packed just yet, or what do you need to buy before you head out of town? Whatever you need to pack there, hopefully it's something cool to wear because it's going to be hot in most of the nation. We'll take a look at those numbers specifically, but for today, still watching the potential for severe weather here across eastern Tennessee, down into North Georgia, and even over into parts of Alabama as well. High temperatures will be heating up, and I want you to focus on this central part of the nation because as we go through time, you'll notice that this area will actually expand. And we're talking about high temperatures well above 100 degrees, and then you throw in that humidity, make it even worse across this part of the country. Tomorrow, severe weather threat from Chicago, Illinois, back over toward the Great Arch around St. Louis, but 100 degrees in Dallas, 99 in Albuquerque, 90 even up at Salt Lake City and Denver. You'll see high temperatures in the 90 by Monday afternoon. By Tuesday, we'll watch our chance of severe weather move a little bit further to the east, so places like Tennessee, once again, the mountain state of West Virginia, get ready for some storms, as well as the Northeast. But the heat, the big story, and that will also continue to increase the fire danger here as it really dries out the atmosphere. 102 in Dallas for your afternoon high, 96 in Houston by Tuesday. And Wednesday, no reprieve from the heat as we get closer to the 1st of July, which is coming up on Friday in time for the holiday weekend. Just scattered showers and thunderstorms. And you'll really want one of those showers or storms to help cool you off in the late afternoon. It's going to be 104 in Dallas, 88 in Kansas City, all the way up to Billings, Montana. We're talking about high temperatures in the mid-90s. You need to head to the